cut her cut up her face, cut her eyes out, cut her ears out, and I'll even cut her teeth. Jesus. That was an English award winner. 500 piece.
I can't move those damn pigs.
What you got some left to do? Do the best you can with it. Go to the pump and get yourself cleaned up. Come on, go. I ain't like that anymore, kid. This whiskey does it much as anything else. I ain't been good for 10 years. My wife cured me of that. Cured me of drink and wickedness. Well, you don't look so prosperous. Hell, you could buy her a new dress with your hat. You kill them too. You could buy your wife one of the fancy shoes passed on.
Three up, stupid.
Been going near 3 years now. Oh. Don't tell no one else what you're working. We don't see no one out here. Yeah. Well, just to change your mind, maybe you can catch me. I'll be riding due west of the Western Trail, heading north into Wyoming. Come on, let's separate those hogs.
When you get a minute, you go on and look it out. Look at that, okay? Yep. Hey, yeah.
I think they got fever.
Took you boys a while. Couple more days and I was gonna call on the sheriff. How about that?